Well, that's the front wing sorted. As you can see from the previous pictures, it wasn't much filler needed just on the top where the aerial hole was, because this wing is an original wing, but it had the aerial hole, and obviously the 16 valves, which mine is, has it on the roof. So that's a little plate welded in from underneath, waxed on the inside underneath, and then it's also fillered and prepped on the top. As you'll notice in the pictures as well, I did only block sand sort of the main top section of the wing and either side of the arch, because once the bumper's on, obviously the front section you're not really going to see, and the rest of it is going to be stone chip anyway. I was going to turn the car around, but it's raining outside, so I've moved my work onto the roof. I have also gone over the roof already, just with a DA, the 120 grit. Hasn't come up too bad. I'm just going to give it another quick going over, then stick a guide coat on it and see what marks need repairing in that. That's the roof all sanded, the 120 grit with a guide coat on it. So I'll leave that to dry, and hopefully tomorrow I can turn the car around and continue on with it. There's only one mark, which you can see in the pictures, which needs a bit of work, which is that spot there. There's a few other bits, nothing major. As to regards to the compressor, I've had a few people message me about the compressor I'm using. This is from SGS Compressors, which is pretty much exactly the same as what you're going to buy from Machine Mart, Clark, whatnot. But this was 250 quid, not 450 odd quid. 100 litre tank, quite high CFMs, and it's a really good compressor. It's got the V-twin pump on it, a bit dusty, but it's running the DA perfectly fine. The DA's in one of the pictures, which is just from a screw fix job, but I can tell you I've done that whole roof really with a DA, and I haven't had to stop and wait for the compressor to fill up. So if you're looking at compressors, SGS compressors are pretty good. No problems with it yet.